Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share with you one of the most incredible ancient beauty secrets that has stood the test of time. It's a simple, affordable, and completely natural solution for those struggling with hair damage, breakage, dullness, or thinning hair. I'm talking about none other than rice water. Yes, the same water we usually discard after cooking rice can actually be transformed into a powerful elixir for your hair. If you've been dreaming of hair that's strong, long, shiny, and full of life, then you're definitely going to want to stay with me through this video. Rice water has been used by Asian women for centuries. In Japan, China, and Southeast Asia, this time-tested remedy has played a huge role in beauty rituals, especially among the Yao women of China, who are famously known for their incredibly long and healthy hair that maintains its color well into old age. Their secret? Washing their hair regularly with fermented rice water. What's more fascinating is that modern research now backs what ancient wisdom has known all along. Rice water contains potent nutrients and compounds that deeply benefit our hair and scalp. So, what exactly makes rice water so special? For starters, it's rich in amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein. These amino acids help to repair damaged hair follicles, strengthen the roots, and promote new hair growth. It's also loaded with vitamins B, C, and E, all of which contribute to hair shine, elasticity, and improved texture. One of the standout nutrients in rice water is inositol, a carbohydrate that stays inside the hair shaft even after rinsing, helping to strengthen and protect the hair from further damage. And when rice water is fermented, it becomes even more powerful. It develops pitera, a natural compound known for its ability to promote cell regeneration, soothe inflammation, and balance the scalp's pH. Now, before we dive into how to make and use rice water effectively, make sure you hit that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. All the links you need are listed in the description box below. Let's start with choosing the right type of rice. The good news is you can use almost any variety: white rice, brown rice, basmati, jasmine, or even black rice. However, what's most important is that the rice is organic and chemical-free. This ensures you're not applying any hidden pesticides or toxins to your hair. Personally, I love using organic white rice or brown rice because they're both nutrient-dense and give great results. Start by taking about half a cup of rice. First, rinse it well under clean running water. This step is crucial to wash away any dirt, dust, or impurities that may be sitting on the grains. Just swirl the rice in a bowl with water for a few seconds and then pour out the cloudy water. After that, add around 1 to 1.5 cups of clean filtered water to the rinsed rice. Using your fingers, gently rub and crush the rice grains for a minute or two. This helps release the vitamins, minerals, and amino acids into the water, turning it slightly milky. Now there are two main ways to prepare rice water. The first and quickest method is the plain soaking method. Just let the rice sit in the water for about 30 to 60 minutes. Give it an occasional stir. Once done, strain the water into a clean bottle or container, and it's ready for use. This method is simple and effective, especially if you're short on time. But for those looking for maximum benefits, I highly recommend the fermentation method. Fermented rice water is known to be far more potent. To do this, take the soaked rice water and pour it into a clean glass jar. Cover it loosely and let it sit at room temperature for 24 to 48 hours. You'll notice a slightly sour smell developing. That's completely normal. It means natural fermentation has occurred, making the rice water rich in antioxidants, minerals, and that magical compound pitera. Once it's fermented, strain out the grains and store the water in a spray bottle. You can refrigerate this for up to 5 to 7 days, but I personally love making a fresh batch every week to keep the nutrients at their peak. When it's time to apply, make sure your hair is clean and detangled. You can apply rice water to towel-dried hair or even second-day hair. Pour the rice water into a spray bottle. It makes the process much easier and helps to cover every section of your hair evenly. Shake the bottle well and start spraying generously from root to tip. Don't forget to focus on the scalp too, because that's where healthy hair begins. After spraying, gently massage your scalp with your fingertips for 2 to 3 minutes. This improves blood circulation, boosts absorption, and helps stimulate the hair follicles. Next, let the rice water sit on your hair for at least 20 to 30 minutes. You can wrap your hair in a shower cap during this time to avoid dripping and allow better penetration. Some people even leave it on for an hour for deeper conditioning. After that, rinse your hair thoroughly with plain lukewarm water. If you feel your hair needs it, you can use a mild, sulfate-free shampoo, but many people prefer to skip shampoo and just use a light conditioner. Now, how often should you use it? For most hair types, using rice water once or twice a week is enough to see noticeable improvements. Over time, you'll notice your hair becoming stronger, shinier, smoother, and more manageable. It helps reduce split ends, prevents breakage, and even improves hair elasticity and porosity. It's also fantastic for soothing itchy or irritated scalps. Want to take your rice water to the next level? Try infusing it with a few drops of essential oils based on your hair needs. Add rosemary or peppermint oil for stimulating growth, tea tree oil for dandruff control, or lavender oil for calming effects. You can also mix in a spoon of aloe vera gel for added hydration, or a few peels of orange for a fresher scent and vitamin C boost. So there you have it. This ancient, all-natural remedy could be the game changer your hair has been waiting for. If you've been relying on expensive hair treatments or products full of chemicals, it's time to try something simple, safe, and truly effective. Remember, consistency is key. Don't expect overnight results, but with regular use, you'll be amazed at the transformation in your hair's health and appearance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural beauty tips and DIY remedies. Let me know in the comments if you've tried rice water before or if you're excited to give it a go. I'd love to hear your experience. Until next time, take care of yourself and your beautiful hair. Bye for now.